Now, so I understand, I'm not trying to say that the traditional public schools were working, stellarly. And I know with, like, for example, education for children with special needs hasn't always been the best, and I've heard some real complaints about that. But I also look at that as that the education for gifted and talented has done remarkably well. And they can do that only because they can draw from a large pool. If they try to set up a specialized program for the few students in each school all the time, then they can't financially do that. And that's why charter schools, if you call them up and ask them about their gifted and talented services, it's about, I think, an hour or two a week. And that's about what you'll find in Zachary, and that's what you'll find in Ascension. They don't have a significant gifted and talented program. And it's a complicated issue, I understand, but I think those types of ability to organize based on scale can, with the right attention, can also be served for special needs. I mean, special needs students in particular have been really poorly served by the charter school system, is my understanding, and that there's been an ongoing process of sort of discouraging them. The charter schools just sort of saying, well, we don't really have the programs for your children here, you're going to have to find somewhere else. So they don't exactly tell them they can't go to that school, but they make it clear that if the child does go to that school, they're not going to be receiving any type of adequate instruction. And where do those children go? But they turn to the traditional public school system. And I know my youngest child went to preschool at South Downs Elementary, which was a mainstream traditional students with students who were profoundly, in some cases, disabled. And it was just a remarkable program and did really well. And the only way that program could work was that they could draw from all over the parish in order to support that population. And so if the current system is allowed to go on as it is, because everybody thinks privatization and charter schools are the answer, we're going to lose the possibility to provide those types of services. And so, it's in the community's best interest that if they want to have charter schools as part of the population, they nonetheless need to also understand the very useful role that a traditional public school system can serve. It's like a pool of insurance. I mean, why do large companies and corporations, why are they able to offer their employees a better health insurance for less cost? Because the insurance company has a large pool and they can distribute, minimize their risk. And so, I mean, to some extent, it's kind of the same thing with the public school system. You've got a large pool of people, and so maybe you need a specialized program for this tiny population. Well, you can do that. You can pull all those students to one school or one classroom and provide that special service that a charter school can't, because they don't have the financial mechanism to allow for that sort of broad-based financing. It's my understanding. I haven't heard of any of them doing it. They're certainly not doing it well if they're trying.